Good morning, class. How are you today?
Good morning, sir.
Our lesson for today is about the area of triangles, parallelograms, rhombus, and trapezoids. So, isa-isahin natin sila.
Okay po.
Triangle. What is a triangle? Triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. Basta may 3 sides, triangle yon.
Okay po.
Now, there are different kinds of triangles. Equilateral triangles have 3 equal sides. Pag pare-pareho yung measure ng 3 sides. Isosceles triangles have exactly 2 equal sides. Kapag dalawa lang daw yung sides na magkasukat. Scalene triangles have no equal sides. Kapag magkakaiba yung measures ng 3 sides. And then, yung right triangle, which has one angle that is a right angle. Kapag square yung isang kanto. Do you understand?
Yes po.
Take note. A right triangle can be isosceles kapag may dalawang magkasukat na sides. It can also be scalene kapag walang sides na magkasukat. Remember, triangles can be rotated. These 4 triangles are one and the same. Isang triangle lang yan na pinaikot-ikot. Now you must remember 2 important parts of triangles. The base and height. The base yung side na nasa ilalim ng triangle. Yung height naman yung measure mula sa base hanggang sa top ng triangle. Okay?
Okay po.
Now what is a parallelogram? Parallelogram is a 4-sided shape or polygon with opposite sides that are parallel and equal in length. As you can see, yung itaas sa ibabang sides niya magka-align sa kapareho yung measure. Yung dalawang nakatagilid naman yung magka-align sa kapareho yung sukat. Gets nyo ba?
Yes.
And what is a rhombus? A rhombus is a special parallelogram with 4 sides that are equal in measure. Kapag ang parallelogram daw pare-pareho yung sukat ng 4 sides niya, rhombus yun. Again, remember, parallelograms like any shape can be rotated. These 4 parallelograms are one and the same. Isang parallelogram lang yan na pinaikot-ikot. And a rhombus can also be rotated. These 4 shapes, isang rhombus lang yan. Even the diamonds that we see here. Like the triangle, there are important parts of both the parallelogram and the rhombus. Just like the triangle, they have a base and they have a height. Yung base yung nasa ilalim, yung height yung nakatayo. Ganun lang yun, okay?
Okay po.
Now what is a trapezoid? A trapezoid is a 4-sided shape or polygon with only one pair of parallel sides. As you can see, just like the parallelogram, yung itaas sa ibabang sides niya magka-align. Pero hindi sila pareho ng measure. Yung dalawang nakatayong sides or legs, hindi sila magka-align. There are 2 kinds of trapezoids, isosceles and right trapezoids. Yung isosceles trapezoid, pareho yung measure ng dalawang legs. Baliktaran lang yung tilt nila. Yung right trapezoid naman, square yung dalawang corner sa isang side. Sa isang side lang. Okay?
Okay po.
Again, remember, trapezoids like all other shapes can be rotated. These 4 trapezoids are one and the same. Isang trapezoid lang yan na pinaikot-ikot. And trapezoids like all other shapes can be mirrored. Pwede siyang baliktarin from left to right or vice versa. The important parts of a trapezoid are the bases, base 1 and base 2, and the height. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now what is area? Area refers to the amount of space a shape occupies. It is the measure of the surface enclosed within a closed figure. Area is usually expressed in square units, such as square inches, square meters, or square feet. Yung nakikita nyong rectangle na yan, its area is 20 square units. Paano naging 20? Well, either binilang natin yung square units na nasa loob niya or gumamit tayo ng formula. Area equals length times width. 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay?
Okay po.
And what is the area of this triangle? Ilan yung square units na nasa loob niya? The answer is 8. Paano naging 8? Again, either binilang natin or gumamit tayo ng formula. Kung binilang natin, yung mga small triangle units na kasama ng mga square units, kalahati yung bilang sa mga yon. Kung gagamit naman tayo ng formula, area equals base times height divided by 2. 4 times 4 divided by 2 equals 8. Gets nyo ba?
Yes po.
Now, the height of the triangle is usually the vertical side. Pero kung walang vertical side, may imaginary line sa loob mula sa base hanggang sa top ng triangle. So, what are the heights of these triangles? Mabibilang nyo naman kung ilan yung square units na katapat ng height. Yung isa 2, yung isa 3, yung isa 5.
Oh.
Like I said earlier, may height din yung parallelogram, rhombus, tsaka trapezoid. Yun yung line mula sa ilalim or sa base hanggang sa pinakataas. So what are the heights of these polygons? Again, mabibilang nyo naman kung ilan yung square units na katapat ng heights. Yung isa 3, yung isa 3 din, yung isa 5.
Oh.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Let's try some exercises. Give the heights of the following polygons. 5 items lang naman to. For each item, bibigyan ko kayo ng 5 seconds dito sa video. Pero pwede nyo namang i-pause para mas mahaba yung oras nyo. Here it goes.
Eleven minutes later.
Are you finished?
Yes po.
Let's check your answers. Number 1. The height is 4. Bilangin nyo lang kung ilang square units yung nasa gilid. Number 2. The height is 2. Nakataob yung triangle na yan. So ayusin nyo muna bago nyo bilangin yung square units sa height. Or iikot nyo na lang pabaliktad yung ulo nyo. Joke lang. Number 3. The height is 5. Medyo nakatagilid naman yung rhombus na yan. Number 4. The height is 3. Again, ayusin nyo muna bago kayo magbilang. And number 5. The height is 3. Did you get everything right?
Yes.
Talaga lang, ha? Now, let's go back to area. Sabi natin kanina, area refers to the amount of space a shape occupies. It is the measure of the surface enclosed within a closed figure. Area is usually expressed in square units, such as square inches, square meters, or square feet. So what is the area of this rectangle? Ilan yung square units sa loob niya? 25. Like I said kanina, you can either count or use a formula. Let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 20 square units inside the rectangle, so the area is 20.
Yes po.
And what is the area of this triangle? Ilan yung square units sa loob niya? Let's count. Pero yung mga square units lang yung may bilang na isa. Yung mga triangle units, kalahati lang yung bilang ng mga yon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 and a half, 7, 7 and a half, 8. There are 8 square units inside the triangle. So the area is 8. Do you understand?
Yes.
But you can also do this, ibang technique, especially para sa triangles. Dodoblehin nyo yung triangle, tapos itataob nyo yung isa sa ibabaw ng isa para maging rectangle or square sila.
Oh.
Because of this technique, mabubuo yung mga square units. Mawawala yung mga small triangle units. So mas madali silang bilangin. So we will count the square units and we will get 16. But since dinoble lang natin yung triangle kanina, and the original triangle is just 1/2 of the figure, then we must divide the final count by 2. So 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So the area is 8. Okay?
Okay po.
Another example. This time, ibang kind ng triangle naman. Yung hindi basta-basta pwedeng itaob. If you're given a triangle like this, you can do this. Doblehin natin ulit yung triangle, but we cut the second triangle vertically. Tapos, itaob natin yung dalawang piraso sa original triangle. And we can count the square units. And we will have 20. But since sinoble lang natin yung triangle kanina, and the original triangle is just 1/2 of the figure, then we must divide the final count by 2. So 20 divided by 2 equals 10. So the area is 10. Gets nyo ba?
Yes.
What about the parallelogram? How many square units is in the area of this parallelogram? Well, it is very hard to count the small triangles and the incomplete squares inside the parallelogram. The small triangles are not exactly 1/2 of a square, so are the incomplete squares. So we do this. We cut one triangular part of the parallelogram, then we place it to the other side, forming a rectangle. Now we only have squares in the figure, and we can count them. So in this parallelogram, there are 15 square units. So the area is 15.
Oh.
What about this trapezoid? What is its area? Again, it's very hard to count the small triangles and the incomplete squares inside the trapezoid. So we do this. We cut one triangular part of the trapezoid, then we invert it and place it to the other side, forming a rectangle. Now we only have squares in the figure, and we can count them. So in this trapezoid, there are 18 square units.
Oh.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Let's try some exercises. Practice exercises. Choose the correct areas of the following polygons. Multiple choice yan. The video will give you 5 seconds per item, pero pwede nyo namang i-pause. Here it goes.
"11 minutes later."
Are you finished?
Yes po.
Let's check your answers. For number 1, the correct answer is C, 18. For my solution, dinoble ko yung triangle saka ko ginawang square. 36 yung nabilang kong square units divided by 2 equals 18. For number 2, the correct answer is A, 5. For my solution, dinoble ko yung triangle saka ko itinob yung isa para maging rectangle. 10 yung nabilang kong square units divided by 2 equals 5. For number 3, the correct answer is D. For my solution, nagcut ako ng triangle sa left side ng rhombus. Tapos, inattach ko yun sa right side para maging square. 25 yung nabilang kong square units. Hindi kailangan mag-divide by 2 since hindi naman natin dinoble yung figure. For number 4, the correct answer is P, 12. For my solution, nagcut din ako ng triangle sa right side ng parallelogram. Tapos, inattach ko yun sa left side para maging rectangle. 12 yung nabilang kong square units, hindi kailangan mag-divide by 2 since hindi naman natin dinoble yung figure. For number 5, the correct answer is P, 8. Same solution as numbers 3 and 4.
Yay!
O ano, nakailang tama kayo? Perfect ba?
Yes!
Sana. Now let's go to the last part of our lesson. Using formulas to get the area of a triangle, parallelogram, a rhombus, and a trapezoid. The formula for solving the area of a triangle is area equals base times height divided by 2. Madali lang to. Basta alam nyo kung alin yung base tsaka yung height. Base is the side na nasa ilalim. Height yung vertical side or an invisible vertical line from the base to the top of the triangle. Kung wala kayong makitang vertical, iikot nyo yung triangle. Let's see some examples. This triangle has a base of 8 and a height of 6. To get the area equals base times height divided by 2. So area equals 8 times 6 divided by 2. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 divided by 2 equals 24. So the area of this triangle is 24. Okay?
Okay po.
Another example. Ito, nakakalito to. Wala kayong makikitang vertical, pero dalawang values yung given. Kapag ganito yung case, iikot nyo yung triangle hanggang makakita kayo ng base tsaka height. O ayan, naikot ko na. This triangle now has a base of 4 and a height of 6. So area equals base times height divided by 2. Area equals 4 times 6 divided by 2. 4 times 6 equals 24. 24 divided by 2 equals 12. So the area of this triangle is 12. Gets nyo ba?
Yes!
Now let's go to the parallelograms. The formula for solving the area of a parallelogram is area equals base times height. mas simple. Walang divided by 2. Base is the side na nasa ilalim, height yung vertical side. Or an invisible vertical line from the base to the top of the parallelogram. Pag wala kayong makitang vertical, iikot nyo yung parallelogram.
Let's see some examples.
This parallelogram has a base of 10 and a height of 7. To get the area equals base times height. So area equals 10 times 7. 10 times 7 equals 70. So the area of this parallelogram is 70.
Madali lang, di ba?
Yes po.
Another example.
Nakatumba yung parallelogram na to. So kailangan nating iikot para maging vertical yung height. Ayan, okay na. Base is 8, height is 5. So area equals base times height, which is 8 times 5 equals 40.
Okay?
Okay po.
Now let's have another example of a rhombus. A rhombus is just a special parallelogram. So the formula for solving its area is the same as with the parallelogram. Area equals base times height. For example, this rhombus has a base of 4 and a height of 3. To get the area equals base times height. So area equals 4 times 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. So the area of this rhombus is 12.
Madali lang, di ba?
Opo.
Now let's go to trapezoids. Medyo mas mahirap to na konti. The formula for solving the area of a trapezoid is area equals base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times height. I-add muna yung dalawang bases bago i-multiply sa height. Saka i-divide sa 2.
Let's see some examples.
This trapezoid has two bases of 8 and 12. Pwedeng magbaligtaran yung base 1 sa base 2. Walang magiging problema. It has a height of 5. So area equals base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times height. That's 12 plus 8 divided by 2 times 5. 12 plus 8 equals 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 times 5 equals 50. So the area of this trapezoid is 50.
Medyo matagal yun, pero nakaya naman.
And remember, all shapes and polygons can be rotated. So kapag wala kayong makitang base and height, iikot nyo lang yung polygon. Hindi magbabago yung formula sa pagsusolve kahit anong klaseng ikot yung gawin nyo.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Now it's your turn. Kaya naman.
Solve for the areas of the following polygons. 5 items lang yan. The video will give you 10 seconds for each item. Pero pwede nyo namang i-pause yung video para makapag-solve kayo.
So let's begin.
Eleven minutes later.
Are you finished?
Yes.
Let's check your answers.
Number 1, base is 8 yung nasa ilalim. Height is 6 yung vertical. So area equals base times height divided by 2. 8 times 6 divided by 2. 8 times 6 equals 48. 48 divided by 2 equals 24. So the area of this triangle is 24. Number 2, nakatumba yung triangle. So itatayo natin. Base is 6 yung nasa ilalim after natin itayo. Height is 9 yung vertical. So area equals base times height divided by 2. 6 times 9 divided by 2. 6 times 9 is 54. 54 divided by 2 equals 27. So the area of this triangle is 27. Sa number 3, it's a parallelogram. Base is 10 yung nasa ilalim. Height is 6 yung vertical. So area equals base times height. 10 times 6. 10 times 6 equals 60. So the area of this parallelogram is 60. Sa number 4, nakatumba yung trapezoid. So itatayo natin. Bases are 8 and 6. Pwede magkabaliktaran. Height is 4, yung vertical. So area equals base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times height. That is 8 plus 6 divided by 2 times 4. 8 plus 6 equals 14. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 7 times 4 equals 28. So the area of this trapezoid is 28. Sa number 5, nakatilt ng konti yung rhombus. So itutuwid natin. Base is 6, height is 5. So area is base times height. That is 6 times 5. 6 times 5 equals 30. So the area of this rhombus is 30.
Did you get everything right?
Yes!
Sana. I think that's about it. I hope you understand our lesson today.
Yes po.
So, see you on the next video. Bye-bye.
See you next
Thank
time,
you,
sir.